also known as Hazee, and I am back with another video. This is going to be all about MelodySusie today. This is their 8+1 gel polish kit, and it is in the shade Rainbow Plus. But can we get into how cute this packaging is with the floral designs? Super cute. It does show you how to store it, all the storage and information. Also, I'll have the link on where you could purchase this down below, and I do have a coupon code for you guys as well, so that way you can get a discount on your next purchase with MelodySusie. So without further ado, let's actually just jump right into the unboxing. It does come with instructions, which is always great when businesses or companies insert this in their packaging, just because not everybody knows how to use the product. It may be their first time using it. So it's really awesome that they did include that. And then they include these beautiful gel polishes. I will be doing swatches for you guys as well, so you have the idea of how this works. And when I tell you, I was blown away, extremely blown away. So when I tell you guys these swatches will blow you away, literally blow you away, because I only use one layer of each polish, one coat. Normally I'll do two, but I was like, let me just do one, because look how opaque it is, and the color matched the top perfectly. Okay, and this is the first yellow I ever used that's only one coat. Y'all already know, if you ever used gel polish before, yellow is never opaque. So I was super blown away by that. And again, I did this for all of the colors, all of the shades. And while I do these, also just to let you guys know, I do have OhdeeDripp.com where you guys can actually purchase press-on nails. And this is also why I wanted to get the Rainbow Plus, because spring and summer is coming. Everybody loves bold, vibrant colors. So of course I had to get this set, and I'm just so impressed, because when you think of MelodySusie, well, when I think of it, I think of like the nail drills, the scarlet nail drills. I think of the dust collectors. Also, I do have a video on the dust collector as well. Oh, this color, this neon shade is a staple. Okay, you need this in your kit, and it's only one coat. Look at that. You need that. Also, yeah, so you guys definitely want to check this out, and check out that nail dust collector video as well. Blown away. They're really affordable, but also the quality is amazing, like amazing quality. So the only con about this is that this color right here, this orange shade, wasn't as opaque as the other colors. This is definitely one that you're going to need to do two coats of, which is okay, because normally I'm used to doing two coats of nail polish, but this one you'll definitely need to use two. And I definitely did shake up the bottle just to make sure that it had like the same coverage as the other ones, but you'll definitely need to double up on coats for this one. And here I am actually trying the matte top coat. This matte top coat, y'all already know, I have a favorite one, but this one actually comes really close to it. Of course it's a smaller size, but it comes really close. This is how everything looks finished with the matte top coat, and I actually love this a lot. Of course, I had to show you my favorite color from there. This is one I'm going to be using in some nail art today, so I will be demonstrating on how I use these colors. And that one is the 314, that neon color. Really, really love that. And then, of course, this powder baby blue. Love it. Tiffany blue. I will be using that one as well. So let's just jump into making these press-on nails. I'm going in with this nude shade from McCart, and we're only going to be using one layer of this. I'm not selling this. I'm not selling this nail set, so that's why I'm not wearing any gloves. And don't mind my cuticles, you guys. I've been working. I've been doing a lot, so I kind of been neglecting them. So I went ahead, while I cured that coat, I'm actually going to go ahead and prep my station with all of the colors I'll be using. So it's going to be the baby blue, the green, and that pink. I'm using this janky nail art brush in order to create the designs I'll be doing today. So I'm definitely going to keep going back and forth with trying to just make sure everything looks great and looks perfect. And of course, don't mind any crooked lines. I will be cleaning that up as well, just not on the camera. But this one, I'm going to be doing some horizontal lines. I'm going to be doing some vertical lines, some circles. You guys are definitely going to see a lot of different abstracts in a kind of way, or Aztec art for this nail set. So for this one as well, I'm just going in. We're going to be doing some horizontal lines. And then after I cure these, I'm going to incorporate the other colors in them. Honestly, you guys, this set wasn't even hard to complete. It was pretty easy. You're just making random lines on there. This is how the first set looked with just the blue. Now we're going to add my favorite color from the kit. And I'm just going to add little accent marks around it, around the cuticles. I am going to add a circle on this one. You can use a dotting tool to make the circle. I just wanted to use the brush. And to clean with my brush, I am using alcohol. That's the best way to actually clean your brush, or just clean around any nail polish that could be on there. So we're going to do those, and then this is how that looks. So we're going to cure that, and then I'm going in with some black, and the black I'm using is from Model 1s. It's really opaque. The only thing is I did not cure the black long enough. So when I do add the top coat, you guys are going to see the black smudge. Just make sure you're curing everything the right time, whether if it's 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds. Just make sure you cure it for the correct amount of time. Also, I would recommend using black acrylic paint. That's what I normally use. I just went ahead and used the gel nail polish just to see if it was going to give me the same consistency. But it didn't, but it kind of did. I just have to cure it for a longer time. So here I am adding the matte top coat. And again, this is the MelodySusie matte top coat that comes in the 8+1 kit. And I'm putting it on here. You guys can see this is when the black starts smudging. I honestly wanted to recreate this nail set because I don't like seeing smudged gel polish. Like, it's horrible. It's horrific. But I'm going to go ahead and do that. Then we're going to cure this for a minute. And you guys are going to love the finished product. Also, before we get into that, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DEEBEAUTY. Like this video, subscribe, click the little notification bell, and leave a comment down below on if you are going to get this kit or any of the other kits. They have several versions. And look at the smudging. It's horrible. But the good news is that the MelodySusie colors did not smudge. They are very vibrant in this. So I definitely do recommend it. And also for you guys, definitely check out MelodySusie.com. Again, I'll have the link down below, and check out all my other nail videos. Like, I think they're pretty good. So check those out. And I'll see you guys in the next one.